While you're at a show at the Roundhouse, 11 to 25-year-olds are finding inspiration right beneath your feet, making the most of opportunities in music, performing arts and media. The skills we're learning, the experience we're getting and the contacts we're making help us develop specialist skills that can't be learned in school or college.
I remember there was one thing me and you kept saying when we were first here, when we first come, we were like, where's this place been my whole life?
Yeah, it is
like,
that.
This were in my community where I grew up. It wasn't there.
It's not.
It's still not there today, do you know what I mean?
The Roundhouse gives us somewhere to take risks and gain real-world experience as artists, not students. The opportunities you get here are the kind you don't forget in a hurry. The ones that allow you to achieve something you never thought you could do. We get to create professional theatre, sit on the board of trustees, work on live broadcasts by major artists, produce our own festivals and loads more.
It's nice to come to an environment where there's no egos and everyone's allowed to express themselves totally creatively, you know, and just be able to say, I want to do this, and then you'll be allowed to do that, do you know, and you'll be allowed to try that, and then if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it works, then you know you've learned something either way.
Encourage young people to come in and not only be part of something, but also they give you the skills to actually go out into the real world and get a job.
It's like it's your fast forwarding, you're fast tracking into what you got to do. Because I know that some couple of camera crew people and them cameramen in that film, a couple of things we've done, have been in doing shows, filming the concerts and them sort of things. Ooh. So they get in training. Well, it's not even training, they're doing it. Yeah. They're doing it and getting the experience, if you want to say. So they're getting experience straight off.
Whatever path we choose, creative learning inspires confidence, imagination, leadership and collaboration. As any young person here will tell you, the Roundhouse doesn't teach talent, it just gives us the tools to make the most of it.